Hey guys, welcome to AppTan. Let's see how to take portrait selfie on OnePlus 5T. So you need Google Camera, OnePlus 5T and subscribe to AppTan, which is optional. Now open the Google Camera, select lens blur option from the menu. As you can see, I'm currently in the lens blur mode. Now we need to switch camera to the front facing camera or the selfie camera. As you can see, now I'm into the selfie camera. Now I need to hit the shutter button twice to get this blur effect or the portrait effect on the front camera. So you can follow the guide on the screen or I'll show you multiple shots. So first you need to click, then it will guide you to move your phone up, and then again you need to hit the shutter button, as you can see. So I have taken 3 shots here, and once you open that click, you will find it will take some time to process that portrait or a blur effect. And now with the button which shows the depth effect or blur adjustment, you can actually adjust the blur or the portrait effect on your photo. So this is very useful trick to get Google Pixel like portrait mode on OnePlus 5 or OnePlus 5T. Now you know how to do it, so enjoy the same. And if you have not yet subscribed to AppTan, do subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you.